Economical Excursions, making travel affordable. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that combines travel and budgeting. We're going to explore the meaning of economical excursion and how understanding this concept can help you make the most out of your travels without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a budget traveler, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. First, let's break down the phrase economical excursion by understanding its first component, economical. Being economical is all about efficiency and avoiding waste, especially in terms of money and resources. When something is described as economical, it means it provides good value or service in relation to the amount of money, time, or effort spent. It's not just about being cheap or low cost. It's about optimizing resources to achieve the best possible outcome. Moving on to the second component, excursion. An excursion is a short journey or trip, usually taken for leisure, education, or physical purposes. It implies a temporary departure from one's daily routine to explore, learn, or relax. Excursions can be as simple as a day trip to a nearby historical site or as complex as a guided tour to a natural reserve. Now, let's combine both terms to understand what economical excursion truly means. An economical excursion refers to a trip that is carefully planned to minimize unnecessary expenses while maximizing the experience. It's about finding the balance between cost and value, ensuring that you can enjoy your journey without spending excessively. This concept is particularly appealing to students, budget travelers, and anyone looking to explore the world without depleting their savings. To make an economical excursion possible, here are some tips. Research and plan ahead. Look for discounts, deals, and free attractions at your destination. Travel off-peak. Choose times when travel and accommodation costs are lower. Pack smart. Avoid extra charges by packing only what you need. Use public transport. It's often cheaper and gives you a local's view of the area. Stay in budget accommodations. Consider hostels, guest houses, or budget hotels. An economical excursion doesn't mean you have to compromise on the quality of your travel experience. It's about making smart choices that allow you to explore and enjoy without overspending. We hope this video has illuminated how you can plan your next trip in an economical way. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.